Welcome everyone to Ramapo College of New Jersey, one of America's 50 most beautiful campuses. Look at this place, it's amazing. And it's located in northern New Jersey, just a bus ride away from New York City, where opportunities abound for students from this inclusive, tight-knit community. Small class sizes and engaged faculty mentors offer hands-on learning and individual student attention, where students aren't just given a voice, they're encouraged to raise their own. They not only think critically about our world, they're inspired to lead boldly in it, exceeding national four-year graduation rates and offering innovative academics. It's no wonder why Ramapo is a nationally top-ranked public college. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, you'll meet current Roadrunners who embody their mascot and are always on the move. Welcome to Ramapo College. This is the College Tour.